Good day everyone, welcome. Not seeing ads in Candy Crush Saga anymore. In this quick guide I'll show you how to get rewarded ads back in 2025 so you can earn extra moves, lives and boosters. So firstly guys, make sure you're on the latest version of Candy Crush Saga. So go to the App Store, Google Play and hit update if available. And now to the important stuff, ads are only available for some users. You must be connected to the internet, logged in via the King or Facebook accounts, not using ad blockers or VPNs. So guys, you just go to your settings, then tap on My Account, and you'll be taken to a different screen where you will be able to log in with your King or Facebook account. So in this screen, you just log in, and if you still don't see ads, force close the app, clear cache, and reopen. On Android, you just go to Settings, Apps, then Candy Crush, Storage, Clear Cache. Let me show you. Right, so in the app info for Candy Crush Saga, just press on Clear Data on the bottom right, and then press on Clear Cache. Okay, and after that, ads usually show when you lose a level, also when you're out of lives, and in the booster wheel or treat calendar. So play a few rounds and check after losing to see if watch ad option appears. Also, some ad slots are limited per day. If you've already matched 5 or 10, you may have to wait for them to reset. And that's how to get ads back on Candy Crush very easily. Like and subscribe, and of course, leave a comment if this helped you. And guys, press the like on the video, and I will see you soon.